welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nora D and it's Vlogmas 2020, man. It's Christmas! Merry Christmas to you all. I'm so happy to have you all back again to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss a thing. It's Christmas Day with my family and I'm going to show you all how I did this tablescape. I can't wait to show you all. I already have a video up on how I set up my tree. If you're interested to watch that, make sure to check out the link in the description box and also above right now. So yes, if you would like to see how I set up my tree, well, for next year because it's Christmas already. And then for the tablescape, that's coming up in this video. So stay tuned. So for this Christmas tablescape 2020, I am using some Chiavari chairs, mainly because my actual dining only sits 4, and this is supposed to be a Christmas table setting DIY for 12. Hubby is helping me with this DIY holiday decor or this glam Christmas decor DIY. I am keeping it simple with a gold, green, and red color theme. White doesn't count. Well, keeping it very conventional, the typical Christmas colors. So, what you say do this? The linens and charger plates as well as the candle holders are from my event decor inventory. As some of you already know, I am an event decorator and event planner. My website can be found in the description box below. Anyways, that's by the way. So back to our Christmas table settings 2020 and Christmas centerpiece for table DIY. I am using some pine garlands and holly berries from Michaels. These were on sale on Black Friday, guys. I got this for 50% off. Talk about how to make a Christmas centerpiece on a budget. Let's keep going. So I didn't want to use plain white plates or any plates with too much pattern or floral. So I decided to go with these simple striped plates and saucers from the Dollar Tree. Yes, you heard me right. From the Dollar Tree, guys. That's how to decorate on a budget for Christmas and still get that high-end look. Guys, there is no shame in getting a good bargain. I love a good bargain. I guess we got ourselves a Dollar Tree Christmas DIY 2020 high-end. Alright, so I'll go ahead and set the glasses as well as the cutlery. So just watch as I continue with this. Please do comment tablescape if you've watched right up to this point, because you know the drill. I would love to communicate with each and every one of you and just, you know, get to know you more better. So tablescape in the comment section. Thank you. The gold cutleries you see are from Amazon. I got these a while ago and they fit so well in the overall look of things. Like I had mentioned earlier, the plan is to keep it simple using just gold, green, and red, the typical Christmas colors. And so far, guys, I really loved how my tablescape turned out. I just really wanted to keep it Christmassy and also have it match my Christmas tree, which I already did a video for, so make sure to check that out. I will leave the link right above now. That is the Christmas tree behind me, so if you want to see how I did that, you can go on ahead and watch that. And then the charger wall art that you see behind me as well in gold, that is from my previous DIY video on how to make wall art using charger plates. So if you also are interested in doing something like that, you may want to check that video out, which I will leave the link in the description box below. Thank you. Okay guys, now my tablescape is all set and I am very happy with how it turned out. I just wanted it simple and just, you know, very Christmassy, and I feel like I actually achieved that look. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and have the candles lighted so you can actually see how that blends into the overall look of things. It is a well-known fact, I've made it known times without count, how much I love Christmas. I just really enjoy spending quality time with the people that I love and family. So I was really happy setting this up to have family over for us to spend some good quality time together. Oh, and check out my sweater. I actually did the lights onto the sweaters, which I have included in this video. So watch to the end to see how I actually got to make the sweaters lighted up or glam up the sweaters, because I could not find lighted up sweaters in time for Christmas. So I decided to make mine. So watch to the end to see my DIY ugly sweater or ugly sweater DIY using lights from the Dollar Tree, my famous store. Yeah. Again, do let me know what you think about my tablescape. I would love to get your feedback and ideas. And I also really do hope that this actually showed you how to make a Christmas tablescape, if you're looking to keeping it very Christmassy like I did. So yeah, I would just love to get your feedback on that. So keep watching to see how this looks in the dark with the candles lighted up, and also of course how it looks with the candles all lighted up with lights on. I would say I'm slightly obsessed with candles. I love candles. They make a whole lot of difference. So sometimes you don't have to do too much. You just need a whole lot of candles for your tablescape to pop or your centerpiece to pop. Okay, so that is exactly what I did for this. I did a simple table centerpiece using simple garlands and a whole lot of candles, as you can see. And the snowman you see, I did a video on how I made that lighted up snowman using items from the Dollar Tree. So make sure to check the description box on how I did that. I will leave the link as well at the top of this video right now. So keep watching to see my ugly sweater DIY. Towards the end of this video, how I basically used Dollar Tree lights, battery operated lights, to make an ugly sweater uglier, if we can put it that way. So yeah. So I added some Ferrero Rocher on each plate just for a pop, and also because it is gold. I had no particular reason for using those. I just thought they looked cute having them on the platters. So of course I added those, and I really liked how it turned out. Guys, there is no one rule fit all here. So you can, play with this, have fun with this, and make it look like you, like do you, alright? And there again we have our wall art using charger plates from my previous DIY video, so make sure to check that out as well. I just love how these red mercury vases add a lot of flair to my tablescape. It makes it look so high-end that you can never go wrong with mercury vases, be it silver, gold, red, blue, you name it. They always just add that pop, and especially the red one for Christmas, it is the perfect candle holder. So we had the food set aside on a separate table, just because of course we wanted to have our centerpiece on there, and I thought having the food on the table, which was a lot, was going to take away from our centerpiece, so we had it set aside. It was more of a buffet style kind of setup, so we can have enough space to have fun and just enjoy our centerpiece while having some fun family quality time. I also love how the gold sequin actually brings a lot of pop without being overbearing or overshadowing everything else. So it's just the perfect amount of sequin to have on your table. Yeah, I know sometimes we like to have it all covered, the whole table covered in sequin, but it all depends on the event. For this, we just wanted some touch of gold, not too much, else the gold spoons would have just gotten lost in the sea of sequin. So yeah. Are you still watching? Well, if you're still watching right up to this point, you are the real MVP, and I really do appreciate you watching my videos and being subscribed to my channel. That I cannot begin to overemphasize how much that means to me, guys. So please do comment tablescape in the comment section like I had mentioned earlier, so I can get to engage with you all. Thank you. So like I had mentioned from the start of this video, this is how I glamped up my ugly sweater, or better still, made the Christmas or ugly sweater DIY using lights from the Dollar Tree. I was actually looking for lighted up sweaters at affordable prices, mind you, but I couldn't find those. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and make these myself. So I got the lights from the Dollar Tree for $2 each, and then the sweaters, we got them from a local store in our area, and I decided to glam them up using the lights. So watch as I complete this. I just loved how this turned out. It was so much fun, especially when we had them in the dark and dancing. It was just so much fun and very Christmassy. So yes, I love to get a little extra, guys. It is no surprise there. And so that brings us to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please do make sure to hit that like button, and also please do hit that subscribe button so you do not miss a thing. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas with your loved ones and family, and I hope you stay safe. I'm wishing you a very successful year 2021, and that it brings you so much good luck. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching.